Varsago served as a librarian of the Dark Angels during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. The adjutant of the Astartes known as Zahariel, Varsago would, alike to many of his kin, be exiled by his Primarch Lionel Johnson to their homeworld of Caliban, following their campaign against the peoples of Sarosh. As political unrest erupted between the followers of Luthor and the Astartes under the guidance of the current Lord Cypher, loyal to the Lion, Varsago would aid his fallen angel kin in claiming Caliban for themselves. Requisitioned by the Seneschal of the First Legion, Corswain, to aid in their reinforcement of Holy Terror with the conclusion of the Horus Heresy, Varsago would conceal his true allegiance to Luthor above that of the Lion when joining forces. Aiding Corswain's forces during their attack of the Hollow Mountain during the Siege of Terra, Varsago would unleash his psychic powers to save Corswain's life from the demon Vasukela. With the Hollow Mountain secured, a contingent of the clandestine fallen angels under orders from Zahariel would confront Varsago and reveal their want to harness the powers of the warp to aid their cause. Refusing to take part in their path of corruption, Varsago would defend himself from the willing puppets of the ruinous powers. A figure stepped from among the others and lowered his hood. Darkness filled the eye sockets and lines of the face beneath. It was a face that should not have been there, that had been left on Caliban. "You," said Varsago in shock. The face nodded, and then turned away. "Take him," it said. Varsago raised his mace. Blue fire and shadows flickered across the walls. The figures around him surged forward. Varsago would be slain by his brethren, another murder among once stalwart kin. His act of betrayal against the Lion repaid in kind by the servants of Chaos.